Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss something related to programming commands. Firstly, touch is used to create files, cat is used to open content in files, ls is used to list out all files and folders that you have created so far, rm is used to remove files, clear is used to clear all the commands in your terminal, cp is used to copy files, mkdir is used to create a directory. So directory is a set of files, and rmdir is used to remove a directory, cd is used to change the directory, and cd space dot dot is used to change the directory to parent directory, and mv is used to move the file and it is also used to rename a file. Pwd, the present working directory, it shows the place where you are working, that is a code space, and which is it shows that from where your command is taken. Make is used in C language to execute a given condition. Both make and dot slash are used here. And code opens a file to run your program. And Python, it is used to give output in Python language. Now let's see how these commands work. So firstly I am using touch s1.py. So it creates a file. Now to open file I am using code s1.py. Here you can enter your condition. Print India. So to get the output I am using Python. So it gives me the output. Now let me create some more files. Touch d1.py, then touch r1.py. So I created some more files. Now let me create a directory, mkdir om.py. So here you can see that a directory is created. Now I want to move a file into directory, so mv d1.py into om.py. So you can see that d1.py is into the directory. Next let me rename r1.py as f1.py. So you can see that r1.py has renamed into f1.py. Now let me copy s1.py in om.py. Here you can see that the s1.py file is copied in the directory. Next I am using ls, so it will list out all the files. You can see that f1.py, om.py, s1.py. Here om.py is the directory, so it gives us all files and folders. Next let me remove a file, rm f1.py. It's asked for you to remove or not, so type yes. You can see that f1.py is removed. Next let me clear all this. Clear. If you want to see your before code, you can use up button. Next let me use cat s1.py. So it shows what condition you have given in that respective file. Next let me Let's try whether we can remove or not a directory containing files. So rm dir om.py. So you can see that we can't remove it because the directory is not empty. So first we need to remove the files in it. So rm om.py slash d1.py. You need to write the directory name first, then slash and the file name. So it asks for you to remove or not. Type yes. You can see that d1.py is removed. Next rm om.py slash s1.py. Type yes. So the two files in the directory are deleted. Now we can remove the directory. So rmdir om.py. So the directory is also removed. Now let us see what pwd shows. So it shows the workspaces and this is my ID in this. Next let us use which command. So which ls. So it gives from where this ls command is taken and which python. So user local bin python. So it gives us from where these commands have been taken. Next let us create some C programming file. So touch. So here you can see that I am typing .py. So it is used to create files or do something in Python programming. And to create a file in C, we need to use .c. So touch h1.c. You can see that a file is created. Now I want to open it. Code h1.c. So here it is open. Now we need to type a condition. So in C program we need to use hash include svo.h int main print f. We need to use printf. YouTube. So if we want to get this command, so to go to the next line we need to type /n and we need to use a semicolon. So to get the output I am typing make h1. We should not type .c when we are giving the command make. Now ./h1. Here you can see that YouTube /n we have got this. Next cd is used to go to the next line. Next I'm creating a directory mkdir r1.py. So cd space ... So cd space ... shows the where we are working, so it gives the workspaces. And next again cd to go to the next line. Next I want to clear all this. Clear. Now let me show something. In the cs50.dev we have something called duck debugger. In that you can ask questions to the duck, so it gives you the guidelines to write your program. So let me ask how to create 10 directories at a time. Let's see what it says. So as I am doing in Python, we'll use this Python code. Let me create a new file, touch ss.py. So code ss.py. So in ss.py I am writing this code. So import OS for I in range 1, 11 colon OS dot make directory mkdir. So to run this I am typing here python ss.py. So now here you can see that 10 directories are created from dir1 to dir10. Now let me use the same code to remove these directories. So import OS for I in range. Let me delete 5 directories. 1, 2, 6 colon the OS. So I need to remove, so I am giving the command rmdir. So same here. Let me remove this before one. Sorry. I am giving here command python ss.py. You can see this here, 5 directories have been deleted. So this is how we use this duck. You can ask your doubts and it helps you to write your own command. That's all for this. This is how the commands work. These are the basic commands. Thank you all.